In today's video, I am going to teach you how to do social listening in Hootsuite. Social listening helps you understand what people are saying about your brand, your industry, and your competitors. It also helps you spot trends early, respond faster, and make smarter decisions based on real conversations happening across social platforms. To get started, you will be using a tool inside Hootsuite that is designed specifically for monitoring and analyzing social mentions. First, you need to select Listening or Lumen. On your screen, look for the option that lets you choose between Listening and Lumen. If you see tabs or a menu where these choices are available, select Listening when you want to track conversations related to specific terms over time. Listening is focused on monitoring mentions and gathering social insights around your chosen keywords. Depending on how your Hootsuite workspace is set up, you may also see Lumen, which is another way to view social intelligence. For this walkthrough, choose the option that gives you access to the listening setup area so you can enter the terms you want to monitor. Next, you will enter your keywords, brand names, hashtags, or competitors. After selecting Listening or Lumen, find the field where you can create or configure your search terms. This is where you control what conversations are included in your monitoring results. Start by typing the brand name you want to track. If you want to understand product feedback, also consider adding keywords that describe your products or services. Hashtags are especially useful because they often group together posts that relate to a specific topic. If you want competitive context, add the competitor names as well, so you can compare how different brands are being discussed in the same space. As you type, pay attention to how the interface handles your entries. Sometimes you can add multiple terms in one place, and sometimes you add them one at a time. Make sure each term is included and spelled correctly so you do not miss relevant posts. If your goal is to monitor brand mentions and related discussion, include both the exact brand name and the key phrases people commonly use instead of or alongside that brand. For hashtags, include the full hashtag text without extra characters, so the search stays accurate. For competitors, add the exact competitor name as it usually appears online, since people rarely use variations consistently. Once you finish entering your terms, you are essentially defining the scope of your social listening. This step matters because your results will only be as good as the terms you choose. If your keyword list is too broad, you may see irrelevant conversations. If your list is too narrow, you may miss important posts. Take a moment to review what you entered and confirm it matches the topics you actually want to monitor. Finally, end the setup once you are ready to run the listening view. At the point where you have entered all of your keywords, brand names, hashtags, and competitors, follow the final prompt that confirms or finishes the configuration. This typically means you click an option like Create, Save, or Finish to apply your search terms. After you complete this final step, Hootsuite will begin collecting and organizing the conversations that match your listening criteria. When your listening view loads, you should see posts or results associated with the terms you selected. From here, you can review the information and use it to guide your engagement and decision-making. Keep an eye on the overall conversation themes, the volume of mentions, and how different topics are showing up in your results. The listening setup is the foundation, and this is what allows you to consistently track social activity going forward. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.